Hey everybody, Colin Reed here with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a brand new inventory piece of ours. This is a Scout 2026 240 XSF. We have it equipped in the brand new Alpine Gray, a white rub rail with a stainless steel insert, have the powder coated hardtop to match. We also have the boat powered by a Scout White Yamaha 300 V6 4.2 liter engine. Let's hop inside and check out some more features. Now that we're on board the 2026 Scout 240 XSF, I'd like to point out a few more key features. We do have gray sea deck throughout the full walk-through transom, which is a very nice feature. That way if you're at the sandbar or at the dock, you have access to both port and starboard sides of the boat. We have a raw water connect here at the back. As we enter in, we do have a nice transom door, be able to cut off any small children or pets. We do have rod holders and cup holders at the transom here. We also have this boat equipped with Fender Pros, easy clip-in system to be able to use in lieu of your cleats for your fenders. We do have them at midship as well. As we enter in, do have a nice comfortable stern seat here. We do have this boat equipped in the Bianca interior, which is the white interior from Scout. Nice high backrest within arm's reach if you do go through some choppy water. Nice and easy to fold up and stow away. That way you can fish this entire back area if you would like. Do have a port side live well with another raw water connect inside. If you don't want to use this as a live well, you could use it as a cooler or a trash can. Have the standard leaning post here on the 240 XSF with rod holders and cup holders underneath equipped, and our igloo cooler strapped in as well. As we move up towards the helm, we have our standard Scout steering wheel on a tilt base. Have an upgraded Garmin display. We do have a Yamaha screen here as well, be able to display all of our engine data for that 300 V6 engine that powers this boat. Have our Yamaha binnacle here that allows us to captain the boat, trim and auto trim included. Have our Fusion stereo system with our upgraded JL audio speakers throughout. As you can see, we do have the extra speakers as long as the subwoofer underneath. We do have a wireless phone charger as well here at the helm. Easy clip in for your phone. Have our traditional toggle switching here to be able to control all of our bilge pumps, navigation lights, and other courtesy lights as well. USB ports, that way you're able to plug in, charge things up if you need to while underway. Also have nice glove box storage here. Do have our mounted compass as we always do on our Scout boats. As we move forward, we do have a battery charger. Then also lets you take a peek inside to our full head. Do have a waste tank on here. Easy pump out system that you can use at just about any marina. So we move up into the bow of the boat. Do have nice Corian countertops set up here where you can have some things to store, such as your phone and other things, along with some cup holders for some drinks. Nice comfortable lounger here up front, easily fit 2 adults, maybe 2 adults and a small child. We do have a large storage situation underneath. We currently have the shrink wrap that the boat came in down there, but we use as a fish box or a cooler. Great place to stow things and get it up out of the way. Underneath port and starboard side up here, our seating, we have cooler boxes that are drained and insulated as well. Great to be able to throw things down, keep them on ice while you're underway. All of this seating here that you see will remove as long as the headrest, so they'll just slide right out of place, allow you, if you are on a hardcore fishing trip, be able to fish this entire area without anything in your way or worrying about getting the cushions nice and dirty. We have an anchor locker right here. Great place to be able to stow your bow anchor up and out of the way. We do have the boat set up with rod and cup holders. That means you could use this as rod holders or cup holders, or even if you wanted to use a bow shade, it'd be a great place to be able to insert that, clip it to our hard top, and that way this entire bow area would be shaded. Thank you for joining me today on this walkthrough of the Scout 2026 240 XSF. If you'd like to learn more about this boat or anything else that we sell, please feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. As always, check us out on MarineMax.com. Once again, I'm Colin Reed. Thanks for watching.